If you need to transfer domain ownership in GoDaddy, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step, so you can move a domain from one GoDaddy account to another without confusion. This is useful if you're handing a domain to a client, moving a website between business accounts, or just reorganizing your own domains. I'll keep it simple, practical, and easy to follow. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, sign into the GoDaddy account that currently owns the domain. This is the sender account, so make sure you're logging into the correct one before you begin. Once you're in, go to My Products. This is where all of your purchased services and domains are listed. Under the Domain section, find the domain you want to move, and then click DNS. From there, open Domain Settings. This area contains the transfer and management options for that specific domain. Now look for the option that says Transfer to another GoDaddy account. Click that option to start the ownership transfer process. GoDaddy will now ask you for the recipient's email address. Enter the email address of the GoDaddy account that will receive the domain, and then enter it again to confirm that it's correct. Next, you'll see a question asking whether you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account. If you want the recipient account to receive the same contact details, toggle Yes next to that option. If not, you can leave it off depending on how you want the domain records handled. Take a second here to make sure everything looks right, because this is the point where details matter most. Once the email and contact options are set, click Send Transfer Request. GoDaddy will send a transfer notification to the recipient's email inbox. Now switch over to the recipient account and check the email address you entered earlier. The recipient should see a message from GoDaddy with the transfer request. Inside that email, click Accept Transfer. This is the step that officially confirms the ownership transfer. The recipient will then be taken to GoDaddy, where they'll need to sign in and review the transfer details. Make sure the recipient carefully confirms the information before finishing, especially if the domain is tied to a business, website, or email service. After the transfer is accepted, GoDaddy will complete the handoff and the domain will move into the new account. At that point, the process is done. You've successfully transferred domain ownership in GoDaddy. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more GoDaddy and website management guides. I post simple, step-by-step videos designed to help you get things done faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.